Yeah, we're here at the new facility for Suhner machining. We used to be up in Buffalo Grove off Bush Parkway. Now we're down here on Lake Zurich Road in Barrington. I have access to some of the samples that you recently saw sitting in the office. I can sit down, show them the drill unit, show them a tapping unit, and we also now have real world examples sitting on the wall. So I can actually point to the wall, say, like, this is where a tap unit can be used. This is where our drill units are used. Here's an example of what they're actually used in. Plus, it's a much more professional environment, I believe, where when you bring in your customers, you can actually sit down, as you saw, either at my desk or you could sit at our little conference table, hook up a presentation and actually explain what we're doing and why we're doing it. They can do vice versa. They can hook up and say, this is what we want done, this is how we want it done. So I think it's a much easier place to come in. You're much more relaxed and you're able to carry on better conversations. Yeah, this office is really good for both divisions. Suhner Machining, which I'm the regional manager for the Western Midwest, as well as my counterpart. His name is Tom Dunn. He's actually the national account rep for our transmission division. It's very good. Customers are starting to realize how centrally located it is, especially being in the Chicagoland area. We're not in the craziness of Chicago, but we're in Barrington. We're about a half hour from O'Hare, so we can actually say we are based in Chicago.